If you are looking for the best video doorbell to improve your home security and convenience, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best video doorbells available today. These picks are selected based on video quality, motion detection, smart features, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ring Battery Doorbell, newest model, home or business security with head-to-toe video, live view with two-way talk, and motion detection and alerts, satin nickel. This Ring Battery Doorbell is designed for home or business security, providing comprehensive head-to-toe video coverage of entryways. It allows users to monitor their property in real time using the Ring app. Live view provides instant access to the camera feed, letting users check activity at any moment. The two-way talk feature allows communication with visitors or delivery personnel directly through the app, eliminating the need to physically open the door. Motion detection is adjustable, giving users control over sensitivity and coverage areas. Alerts are sent to smartphones or compatible devices whenever activity is detected, ensuring homeowners remain informed about any visitors, packages, or unusual activity. The notifications are fast and reliable, reducing the chance of missed events. The battery-powered design eliminates the need for complicated wiring, allowing flexible installation anywhere around the home or business. The satin nickel finish provides a sleek, modern appearance that blends seamlessly with exterior decor. Installation is straightforward, with mounting hardware and instructions included. This doorbell supports HD video streaming, ensuring that footage is clear and detailed. The camera provides full head-to-toe coverage, allowing users to see approaching individuals, dropped packages, or objects on the ground. Night vision ensures visibility in low-light conditions, helping to maintain security around the clock. Number 2. Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, 2nd Gen, latest release, wireless or wired option, two-way audio, night vision, head-to-toe video view, package detection, person and vehicle recognition, 1-month secure plan. The Arlo 2K Video Doorbell provides advanced video and security features suitable for residential or commercial entryways. The 2K resolution ensures sharp, detailed images, helping users identify visitors, packages, or vehicles with clarity. Head-to-toe coverage allows full monitoring of the front area of the property. This doorbell offers both wired and wireless installation options, providing flexibility for different setups. Two-way audio allows users to communicate directly with visitors using a smartphone or tablet. The system supports live streaming and instant notifications whenever motion is detected, keeping users informed in real time. Person and vehicle detection differentiates between human and vehicle activity, minimizing false alerts. Package detection ensures homeowners are notified when deliveries are left at the door. Night vision provides reliable visibility in low-light conditions, extending monitoring capabilities into the evening and nighttime hours. Installation is straightforward, and the doorbell is designed for long-term durability in various weather conditions. The high-quality build and modern design ensure the unit blends seamlessly with home or business exteriors. Adjustable motion zones help focus detection where it is most needed. Number 3. Botslab 5MP Wireless Video Doorbell Camera, 180-degree head-to-toe view, AI motion detection, VR mode, battery or wired powered, easy installation, weatherproof, no monthly fee, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The Botslab 5MP Wireless Video Doorbell delivers high-resolution head-to-toe coverage with a 180-degree field of view. This wide perspective ensures complete monitoring of entryways and immediate surroundings. The AI-powered motion detection reduces false alerts by distinguishing between people, pets, and moving objects. The doorbell supports battery or wired power, offering flexible installation options. The 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection ensures smooth streaming and real-time notifications. Users can access the camera feed through the companion app, enabling remote monitoring, live viewing, and two-way communication with visitors or delivery personnel. VR mode provides an immersive viewing experience, allowing users to navigate the camera feed intuitively. The doorbell is weatherproof, ensuring reliable operation in rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. Its simple installation process allows homeowners to set up the device quickly without professional assistance. No monthly subscription is required, making the Botslab doorbell cost-effective while providing full functionality. Alerts, live streaming, and recorded footage remain fully available through the app. The design emphasizes durability and modern aesthetics, complementing home exteriors while offering practical security benefits. Battery life is optimized for extended use, and users can recharge the battery as needed. This doorbell is suitable for anyone seeking high-quality video, flexible installation, AI-assisted alerts, and reliable performance without ongoing subscription fees. Number 4. Blink Video Doorbell, newest model, head-to-toe HD view, 2-year battery life, and simple setup. Sync module core included, system, white. The Blink Video Doorbell offers head-to-toe HD video coverage with a focus on simplicity and long-lasting performance. It provides live monitoring through the Blink app, allowing users to view visitors and activity in real time. Two-way audio allows direct communication with visitors or delivery personnel from a smartphone or tablet. Battery life is designed to last up to 2 years under typical use, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. The Sync module core is included, ensuring reliable connectivity and integration with other Blink devices for a cohesive home security system. Installation is straightforward with minimal tools required. The device can be mounted on walls, door frames, or other entry points. Adjustable motion detection zones allow customization of alerts to suit the user's property layout. The HD video quality captures detailed images, and night vision ensures visibility in low-light conditions. Motion alerts are instant and reliable, providing timely notifications when activity is detected. The compact design and clean white finish blend seamlessly with home exteriors. The Blink Video Doorbell is ideal for homeowners seeking long-lasting battery life, simple setup, and reliable monitoring. Its combination of HD video, two-way audio, and system integration provides a complete security solution without complicated setup or frequent maintenance. Number 5. Reolink Video Doorbell Wi-Fi Camera, wired 2K outdoor, 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, for 3 wide view angle, smart detection, local storage, no subscription front door home security, customized Chime V2. The Reolink 2K Wi-Fi Video Doorbell provides high-resolution head-to-toe monitoring with a 4:3 wide viewing angle. It supports both 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi connections for stable streaming. Two-way audio allows users to communicate directly with visitors or delivery personnel. The doorbell offers wired installation and does not require a subscription, providing local storage for recorded footage. Smart detection alerts users for people, packages, or unusual activity, reducing false alarms from animals or other minor movements. Customizable Chime V2 allows integration with existing home alerts, ensuring visitors are notified. Night vision enables monitoring in low-light conditions, and the durable outdoor design ensures reliable performance in different weather conditions. The companion app allows users to view live footage, review recorded clips, and adjust settings remotely. The Reolink doorbell is ideal for homeowners who want advanced video security with clear resolution, reliable notifications, and flexible Wi-Fi connectivity. That's our list of the top 5 best video doorbells. Each option offers unique features depending on your security needs and budget. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.